Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday, a little after 6. What is the temperature? 43 degrees. I am just getting ready to head to Lowe's. I want to get something for my little smart house conversion, which you guys don't know about because I haven't posted a video about it, but we'll talk about that on this video. Today I'm going to add some outlets and at least one light, like an RGB smart light. So here we go. All right, we're here, so let's go see what kind of money we could spend, I guess. Hopefully not a lot. I don't think it's going to be that much, but let's go spend it. Oh my God. I was in there for over an hour. This place is so disorganized. Lowe's, get your stuff together. I mean, I appreciate the employees helping me, but nothing was where it was supposed to be. The light bulbs were on aisle 1, bay 20. So I walked over there and there was laundry detergent. And I could tell you for a fact, I don't remember seeing light bulbs on that aisle and bay for a year now. And even the employee said that, so I don't know. Anyway, we got our stuff eventually, so we're gonna go home and play with it now.
It will be a fair trial, but make no mistake, there will be a trial, and when that trial ends, senators will have to decide if they believe Donald John Trump incited the insurrection against the United States.
Schumer's decision comes after Senate Republican leader.
Beautiful view. All these cars would get out of the way. So I talked to you guys about a little bit earlier, I mentioned it briefly about the smart home stuff, and I've been installing it and playing with it a lot, and I'll just give you a short demonstration. We'll talk about it later in the video even more, but for now, hey Google, turn off grow lights.
Got it. Turning off the grow light outlet.
Hey Google, turn on grow lights.
Sure. Turning on the grow light outlet.
Hey Google, turn on laundry room light.
Okay. Turning light on.
Hey Google, turn off the laundry room light.
Okay. Turning off light.
So that's what I'm playing with. I've got these little smart plugs and the GE smart bulbs. The coolest part is, hey Google, turn on laundry room light.
Got it. Turning light on.
Hey Google, change laundry room light to red.
Got it.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? Hey Google, turn laundry room light to white.
Alright. Changing.
So I've got one on the back patio, I've got one right there, and I've got the grow lights hooked up. I've got another switch or two. Zoila's actually in town. She found them at Walmart for less than half what I paid for at Lowe's for these things. Hey Google, turn off the laundry room light. But
Got it. Turning light off.
oh, that time it came from my phone. That was very interesting. So I've got a lot to learn. But like I said, we'll talk more about this technology and what I'm using it for and everything here after a while. For now, I've got to go plant some stuff. Specifically, those. Well, it's about dinner time. Sun is setting. I didn't do a whole lot today. I worked on a lot of that home automation stuff, which I did not film. And I potted up some stuff. The hydrangea, right there. Hopefully it'll grow. The honeysuckle and that other thing. Don't remember what it's called. There it is. So we'll see how that comes out. That will be the honeysuckle. We'll see how that comes out. But for now, I need to go in, get some dinner going. Drill ran great today. Auger, I guess, is a more proper word for it. And I don't know if I'll record any more tonight. I might not. If I don't, then we'll see you tomorrow. Hey Google, turn on the shop light.
All right, turning the shop light on.
Good morning, everybody. It is, I don't know what time it is. What's the weather station say? 8:48, almost 9 a.m. The living room is tore up. We're doing like a mass cleaning, and we're gonna paint today. These walls, kind of the off-white, we're gonna paint them much whiter, letting the stove cool off so we can work on the wall behind it. Got a lot to do. It's probably going to take all day to paint and then get it cleaned up. So here we go. Well, I didn't record too much today at all. We're done painting. You can see the difference between the ceiling and the walls. Ceiling's gonna be next, but there's some damage like right there that I want to fix first. But the walls are done. They look a lot better, bigger. Can't English today, sorry. Anyway, that is going to be all for today, for this weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.